Hi, it's a building again, and it's another day's activity from the STEMpedia's AI, Python, and Robotics Bootcamp for educators. Now, today's day 4, and the activity is on making a GPT assistant. So the first step is to start a new file in the Python interface, and our sprite, Toby, is already here. And so the next thing is to open the GPT extension, and that is GPT extension right there. So open the GPT extension with that. Now, to make the activity more interactive, I'll use the text to speech extension, and that is with the TS, text to speech extension. Text to speech. Okay, now the next step is to create a prompt request. Create a prompt request. The prompt is what you'll be feeding the AI, what you'll be asking the AI to do. So create a prompt request. You have the prompt function, asking that sprite should request an input, and the input here would be asking that sprite should ask what would you like to ask. All right, so that is the sprite, the prompt input function. Then we pass the prompt to the GPT assistant, and that will be with GPT ask on ChatGPT, and here is going to be the AI assistant, AI assistant, and then the prompt. Okay, and the next one is to is for the output. We want the output to be stored into a variable. So we say answer for the prompt GPT chat GPT result function. Okay, and then we want to make the sprite say the answer on the stage. So we say sprite say function should say the answer. All right. So we use the text to speech function to make the sprite say the answer out. Say it converts the text answer to speech. So we use the TS for speak, and what it will be saying will be the answer. Okay, and that's it for the code. I'm going to save this as GPT Assistant. Okay, I'm going to save that as GPT Assistant so that I can come back to it any other time. All right, that's saved now. So let's run the code and see how it works. So I hit run and see what happens on stage. Yeah, what would you like to ask? Toby is asking, what would you like to ask? And then I would say, define cell biology as a as a STEM educator, a science educator. I'm looking to apply this into teaching and learning. So define cell biology, and I click enter.
Biology is a branch of biology that focuses on the study of cells, which are the basic units of life. Understand structure, function, and behavior of cells, as well as the interactions between cells and their environment. Investigate various aspects of cells, such as their organelles, membranes, and genetic material, in order to gain insights. Fundamental biological processes, including cell division, metabolism, signal transduction, and cell differentiation. The gained from cell biology research contributes to a better understanding of how organisms develop, function, and respond. Environment.
So that's my GPT assistant reading out the definition of biology. So this is really interesting, and I looking forward to exploring the possibilities with this for teaching and learning. So here's the code, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.